If you want to make some aviation videos, you're probably going to want to record audio from the radio and the air traffic controller. So I'm going to talk about how I've been doing this. I use this TASCAM DR-10L recorder, and I'm going to put links in the description below to all of this stuff. All you need for this recorder is a micro SD card. The micro SD card goes right in here. This is a 32 gigabyte, and also it takes a AAA battery. That's all you need is a AAA battery, the micro SD card, this recorder, and they come with a lav mic. Now, instead of plugging the lav mic that it comes with into there, I got this cable, and this cable is made to hook up to a GoPro and record the ATC audio right into the GoPro, which is great. But you also have the option to not get that adapter and just use the 3.5mm headphone jack and plug it into whatever you want. So, I mean, that's really all there is to it. You just plug in the headset here. The other end is gonna go into the airplane, and then the cable that comes out of it is going to go into the recorder. And the reason I really like this method is because you don't have anything in the way. You can really just kind of hook it up and hide this thing, put it wherever you want, and just let it run. Super easy to use. The other thing, it has a automatic volume adjustment in it, so it's automatically adjusting the volume so the levels aren't going to peak. It's got dual recording. It has some really cool features, and I have a couple of these. They come in white and black. I use them for commercials, weddings, whatever else I want to use them for. This thing will record for hours, by the way. Like it could record for, I don't know, like 4 or 5 hours maybe. And then to get the files off of it, I just take the SD card out. I have a little Anchor card reader here. It reads micro SD cards as well as the regular SD cards, and then put that USB into my laptop, drag the file onto the desktop, wherever you want it, and then line that up to my video that I take. Now, what's nice about hooking this up directly to your GoPro is you probably don't have to line up the audio. It's probably gonna already be synced. But as someone who does a lot of video editing, that's not really a big advantage for me. There is a cable that is just a 3.5mm headphone jack, so you don't have to pay the extra money for this adapter. The other thing to keep in mind is the cabin in the airplane that you're flying in. Depending on whether it's quiet or loud, that's gonna affect your audio quality. I fly these old Cessnas from a flight school, and they're not necessarily quiet cabins, and that's gonna affect your radio quality. So that's just something to keep in mind that I've noticed. And one time, my friend Dave and I were flying in the biplane, and we had the windows down, and that made the audio a little bit noisier from us chatting. After that, we decided to keep the windows up when we were recording a video. Here it is in black, the TASCAM DR-10L. I'm also using it to record this video right now. How about that? So that's how I've been recording my ATC audio, and I really look forward to making some more aviation videos. To be honest, it's just so expensive, and right now I'm trying to save for a house. I will get up there again soon. One more thing is these clear vinyl bags are awesome. I'm a super organized person, and these are huge help. You could put like your audio cables in here, whatever you want. These are all my GoPro parts. These are just great bags for organization. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I'm gonna start up this Corsair now.